And I understand we're going to give them a parade lap around, folks. So while these 5 cars are going around, you got the best of the evening out there. How about giving them a big round of applause into this feature event? There'll be no prisoners taken in this. Hang on. Hang on. And the best of these cars will go up to our Figure 8 Championship up to Munger, Michigan on September the 14th. Up there, they'll be racing for $10,000 in prize money. And that event is sponsored by Michael's Auto Salvage out of Howell, Michigan. Well, hang on. You got a favorite out there, get behind, move him on. I always like to pick one out.